be simply a particular number. तो अपने को clear था. Okay guys. Yes, Bhargav, we are starting this. Means the outcome will be a particular number. Then we have studied the statement of the dot product. What was the statement? As you can remember, अरे क्या था भाई statement? A dot B equals to mod A mod B multiplied by cos. Okay guys. Yeah. तो ये आपका स्टेटमेंट था एंड इन दैट केस कौन कौन सी प्रॉपर्टी हमने स्टडी की? प्रॉपर्टी नंबर 1, अगर दोनों वेक्टर के बीच का एंगल 90 डिग्री है, समथिंग लाइक दिस, देन देयर आउटकम विल रिजल्ट इनटू 0. यस पूजा, आर यू ट्राइंग टू से समथिंग? आपका नाम पॉप अप हो रहा है. ओके पूजा, लेट्स. ओके पूजा, आर यू ट्राइंग टू से समथिंग? जस्ट लेट मी नो. ओके नो सर. ओके ठीक है, दैट्स राइट. हालांकि इसमें नाइस कुछ भी नहीं है, बट इट्स ओके. ओके रंजीत, गुड मॉर्निंग. सो सी हियर गाइस, व्हाट आई टोल्ड यू, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट्स ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड द स्टेटमेंट a डॉट b इक्वल्स टू mod a mod b इनटू cos थीटा. बहुत ही सिंपल था. उसके बाद फिर मैंने क्या कहा था? देन आफ्टर दिस वी वर डिस्कसिंग द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ द डॉट प्रोडक्ट. पहली प्रॉपर्टी, अगर दोनों के बीच का एंगल 90 डिग्री है, देन देयर डॉट प्रोडक्ट विल रिजल्ट इनटू 0. So what we have seen property number 1, I cap, if you take the dot product of unit vector dot j cap equals to j cap dot k cap equals to k cap dot I cap. This results into 0. Okay. Let's try to study the next one. ठीक है. Numbers can change, like हो सकता है वो प्रॉपर्टी नंबर 2 रही हो, 3 रही हो या 4 रही हो, यार उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. नंबर्स कैन चेंज, उसमें कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी हम लोग देखते हैं, व्हेन टू वेक्टर्स आर पैरेलल टू ईच अदर. क्लियर गाइस? एंड यू आर सपोज्ड टू राइट इट डाउन आल्सो. ओके, दैट्स गुड. नाउ सी हियर, इफ वी हैव टू पैरेलल वेक्टर्स, A is parallel to vector B. Okay, so in this case, let us assume A is a unit vector I cap and B is also a unit vector I cap. Remember everyone, if we are taking two vectors I cap and I cap, what is the angle between same vector? The angle between the same vectors is 0 degree. Clear guys? If you are taking two same vectors, then the angle between two same vectors is how much? 0 degree. Clear? Okay, so this is the direction of I cap, पहला I cap, और यही दूसरे I cap की डायरेक्शन होगी. थीटा between them is 0. So let's check the statement of the dot product A dot B equals to mod A mod B multiplied by cos theta. Okay, so we will write it down like this: I cap dot I cap equals to mod of I cap into cos 0. Okay, so see here, I cap dot I cap equals to 1 into 1 into 1. Final answer is 1. Clear guys? So what we are seeing, जब हम I cap और J cap के बीच का डॉट प्रोडक्ट लेते हैं, आंसर कितना आता है? 0 आता है. लेकिन जब हम दो सेम वेक्टर के बीच का डॉट प्रोडक्ट लेते हैं, आंसर कितना आ रहा है? आंसर कम्स आउट टू बी 1. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट डिफरेंस. ओके, आंसर इज 1. तो पहला पॉइंट हो गया, आई कैप डॉट आई कैप इक्वल्स टू 1. अच्छा, क्या हम सेम आर्गुमेंट अप्लाई कर सकते हैं फॉर जे कैप एंड जे कैप? बिकॉज अगर A is j cap, B is also j cap, then what is the angle between them? Okay guys, I'm just asking, what is the angle between the two vectors?
0 degree.
0 degree. 0 degree. That's right. Sister, you are absolutely right. The angle between the vectors will be 0 degree. So if you take j cap dot j cap, this answer should be 1. In the same way, if we take k cap dot k cap, the answer should be 1. Or in the nutshell, what we can say I cap dot I cap equals to j cap dot j cap equals to k cap dot k cap, and all this goes to 1. तो क्या याद रखना है आपने को? Whenever we are taking, simple words में, जैसे in last time what I told you, whenever you are taking the dot product between two different unit vectors, answer is 0. But when you are taking your dot product between two same unit vectors, your answer will be equals to 1. Clear guys? Just tell me if you are able to understand this or not. Copy up to here so that we can move forward.
Yes sir.
Okay, that's good. Okay, I can see the comment box, Aman. Sir, if two parallel vectors does not have equal magnitude, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. If they are parallel vectors, then in that case, the value of cos theta will be equals to 1. That's all. But if we can apply the formula. See here, Aman, see here, what is the formula? This particular formula, mod of A is A's magnitude, B's magnitude into cos 0, and cos 0 will turn out to be 1. That's all. Okay, clear. So I can see here, Rituraj clear, Siddhi clear, Nikita, Aishwarya, Tanisha, Ranjit, Siddhi. Okay, I hope it's clear to everyone. Okay, guys, final call. Is there any student who still has any doubt, just let me know. Is there any student who still has any doubt, just let me know. Because right now we are ready to solve the question based upon dot product. Okay, guys, I hope it's clear. And one more thing, I think Shishti, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Shishti, I think yesterday you forwarded me 2 problems of SC Verma. Like, what was the problem regarding solution, or did you solve those 2 questions, last 2 questions of SCV, or you still have some
Yes, sir.
problem?
I tried, but I can't found the first step that how to start.
Okay, how to start? This you have a little bit problem. Okay, so I will
Yes,
send
sir.
you the solution today. Okay, Shishti?
Okay, sir.
Okay, I will solve them and I will send you the solution today. Okay, that's good. Chale
And
bhai.
sir,
Okay, yes.
uh, I also asked for you to mark me the questions of third chapter.
Okay, sure. You are talking about kinematics, right, Shishti?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will send you few problems based upon kinematics. Try to solve them, and if you have any doubt, just let me know. Okay? With
Okay,
kinematics,
sir.
I think you have already, covered our online lectures, right?
Yes, sir. After following your online lectures, I also solved it through HCR, the third chapter, and then I
Oh,
am confused that which questions are likely to solve and which are completely out of the boundary of my mind.
okay. Because see, that's a good thing because you have covered online lectures, so that's why you can solve kinematics also. See here, what happened ना? Yesterday I did not send you any question. The reason was clearly मुझे पता नहीं था कि तुम kinematics कर पाओगे या नहीं. But right now I remember कि नहीं यार online lectures तो अपने हो चुके हैं, so you must be able to solve them. No problem.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay, guys. So see here, write down the question. Write down the question. Let us assume there are 2 vectors A and B. Write down the question. Let's try to understand the meaning of dot product. Let us assume there are 2 vectors A and B such that, okay, Bhargav is asking me something. Okay, I already answered this. Let us assume there are 2 vectors A and B such that vector A is defined as 2i cap minus 3j cap plus 4k cap. Let us assume there are 2 vectors A and B such that A equals to 2i cap minus 3j cap plus 4k cap and B equals to 4i cap plus 5j cap minus 10k cap. Okay, see here once again I am repeating the question. Question is same. Let us assume there are 2 vectors A and B defined as A equals to 2i cap minus 3j cap plus 4k cap and B equals to 4i cap plus 5j cap minus 10k cap. Calculate, the question is like this, calculate the dot product of vector A as well as B. Calculate the dot product of vector A as well as B. Okay guys, see here, what we are supposed to do, we are supposed to find out the dot product. All those students who have already covered this in our online lectures, they can proceed forward and let me know the answer. Rest of the students just focus at the board and try to understand. Clear? Okay. I can see few students are doing the typing. Okay, angle.
Sir, 0.
Okay, your answer is 0. Okay, ठीक है. So see, let me check this. 0 is not possible. 50. 50, I don't think 0 is the right one. Just check your data. Okay. check your solution, because I don't think 0 is the possibility. Okay, Bhargav, first let me know, angle is not required. Ranjit, angle is not required. Guys, angle is not required. Okay, I'm just looking at your response. Let me see whether you are able to solve this or not. Okay. See, Siddhi is trying to say something. Okay, Siddhi, yes, we are waiting for you. What are you typing? It's taking so long. Okay, that's the strength.
Sir,
Yes.
sir 10 I cap minus 36 cap minus 2 K cap.
Okay, 10 I cap minus 30 J cap minus 2 K cap. Okay.
Sir, 2, sir.
Yes, Chaitanya, what is your answer?
2.
2. Okay. Siddhi. Okay, Siddhi. Finally, I got a response from Siddhi. She is telling me that final answer is 2. Okay, let's verify it. See here, guys, I will explain the solution in detail. Right now, what I am doing, I am just looking at the options of the students. Okay, because so many students have already attended our live lectures. Sorry, online lectures. Okay, so I am just looking at their solution. That's all. Okay, what I can see, 62 students are there. All the students जिन्होंने अपने online lecture attend किए हैं, just try to answer this. If you have not attended, if you are not present in our online session, then that's okay, no problem. Okay, so Siddhi is telling me 2, and is also telling me 2, 62, and Anisha is also telling me 2. Okay, students, see यार अपने कुछ online lectures थे जो YouTube के ऊपर थे initially. So we are doing free lectures. Okay, just let me see. Aryan, not attended online. Okay, that's absolutely fine, no problem at all. Okay, Nikita, yes. Utkarsh, okay, I can see so many students are having final answer as 2. Okay, so see here, guys, let's try to solve the question. See here, how to solve this question. Like, we have two vectors A and B, and what do we want to find out? We want to find out dot product. Now, see here, one thing which I noticed, like students are asking me, sir, what is the angle between the vectors? So let me tell you guys, angle is not required. Clear? कैसे? यहाँ पे देखो. First, let's check the statement of the dot product. What is the statement? The statement is A dot B equals to AB cos theta. So always remember, it has two sides. What is this? This one is left hand side and this one is right hand side. So try to understand. In left hand side, angle is not present. Clear? अगर यहाँ पे देखते हो तो यहाँ पे कोई थीटा वगैरह नहीं है. मतलब अगर लेफ्ट हैंड साइड से तुम चलते हो तो थीटा इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. But if you take the right hand side, then what is the requirement? You require magnitude of vector A, as well as we require magnitude of vector B, as well as we require the angle between the vector A as well as B. Clear, guys? ठीक है. तो हम यहाँ पे किसके थ्रू प्रोसीड करेंगे? We will proceed from left hand side. Why I am proceeding with left hand side? The reason is quite clear, क्योंकि यहाँ पे थीटा है भाई साहब, और थीटा की वैल्यू तो अपने को पता नहीं है. So if you don't know about theta, how can you calculate AB cos theta? मेरी बात समझ में आ रही है? Are you following me, guys? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, that's good.
Yes, sir.
फटाफट आंसर दे दिए करो तुम लोग, ठीक है? Okay, that's good. That's good. Shall telling yes, Shelly yes. Okay. Okay. तो यहाँ पे देखो कैसे करना है, कैसे अपने को. Point number 1, theta is not there. So we can't use the right side formula, that is AB cos theta. तो अपने को यूज क्या करना है यार? अपने को यूज करना है लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. आ रहा है क्या समझ में? चलो भाई लेफ्ट हैंड साइड से शुरू करते हैं. यहाँ पे देखो, सपोज करो इफ आई टेक A डॉट B. ओके, हाउ टू राइट इट डाउन? व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ A? दिस इज 2i cap minus 3j cap plus 4k cap. Okay, let me write down 2i cap minus 3j cap plus 4k cap. इसका डॉट प्रोडक्ट में किसके साथ लूंगा? आई विल टेक इट 4i cap plus 5j cap minus 10k cap. तो पहले तो यार एक काम करते हैं, डिटेल में सॉल्व करते हैं, ठीक है? आफ्टर देन आई विल टेल यू अ शॉर्टकट फॉर्मूला. पूजा, ओके, यस. Okay, Shantanu is trying to say something. Yes, Shantanu, we are just waiting for your response. Okay, Shantanu is having a different answer. That is, I think, minus 47. Shantanu is telling me a different answer. That is minus 47. Okay, Shantanu will verify it whether your answer is right or wrong. Okay, guys. चलो भाई, अब यहाँ बोर्ड पे देख लो. Let's try to understand कैसे करना है. देखो बहुत easy है, guys. It's very simple. Just focus at the board and try to understand. देखो भाई क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे. सबसे पहले करना क्या है, 2i कैप का डॉट प्रोडक्ट लेंगे 4i कैप के साथ, 5j कैप के साथ और 10j कैप के साथ. देन वी विल टेक द डॉट प्रोडक्ट ऑफ 3j कैप किसके साथ, 4i कैप के साथ, 5j कैप के साथ, 10j कैप के साथ. एंड सेम विल डू द रिपीटिशन फॉर 4k कैप आल्सो. तो सबसे पहले मैं चूज करता हूँ किसको, फर्स्ट लेट मी चूज 2i कैप. यहाँ पे देखो देखो सबसे पहले मैं क्या लिखूंगा, I will write down जब मैं 2i cap को चूज कर रहा हूँ. See, I am choosing the 2i cap. So what I will write down, 2i cap dot 4i cap. Try to understand. 2i cap dot 4i cap. Then what is there? Then 5j cap is there. So what I will write down? I will write down 2i cap dot 5j cap. Plus, then what I will write down over here? 2i cap dot minus 10j cap. minus 10k cap. Okay. अभी केवल i cap के बारे में हमने लिखा है. Right now we are not talking about j cap as well as k cap because what we are doing, we will generalize the whole process. ठीक है. पहले एक मल्टीप्लिकेशन समझ लेते हैं, उसके बाद देखो मैं जनरलाइज कैसे करता हूँ. Try to understand. अब यहाँ पे देखो कांस्टेंट से यार, कांस्टेंट को we can always take outside. What I am telling you, whether you are doing differentiation or you are doing integration or you are doing derivatives or in dot product or cross product, constant का कोई मतलब नहीं है. You can always take constant outside of the process. Clear guys? So see here what is going on. 2 into 4 8 in bracket I cap dot I cap plus 2 into 5 that comes out to be 10 in bracket I cap dot J cap minus 20 in bracket I cap dot J cap. See here. I hope you are able to understand up to here. Now, अब इसके बाद का प्रोसेस क्या होगा उसको ध्यान दो. Remember the properties, क्या बताया था properties में, whenever you are taking the dot product between two same unit vectors, your answer results into 1. But whenever you are taking the dot product between two different unit vectors, what is your answer? Your answer comes out to be 0. Clear guys? So that's why what you can say is, what will be the value of I cap dot I cap? It turns out to be 1. What will be the value of I cap dot J cap? See here, different unit vectors, I cap as well as J cap. So answer will be 0. Okay. Minus 20. Now you can see what is the dot product. We are taking the dot product between two different unit vectors. So what will be its answer? Its answer should be once again 0. So see here guys, what will be your final answer? Your final answer is,
Excuse me, sir.
okay, is it our final answer? No. Yes, Susti, are you trying to say something? Susti?
Sir, I think you have told cross products.
I said cross product. Okay. But you know, honestly, we mean dot product, right?
Yes, sir. Dot product में तो I cap into I cap होता है, फिर plus J cap into J cap.
I cap into I cap, what क्या होता है? Susti, just tell me once again, what are you trying to say?
Sir, I was saying that कि अगर हम लोगों को डॉट प्रोडक्ट निकालना रहता है तो हम लोग जो कंपोनेंट्स रहते हैं आई कैप को आई कैप के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, फिर प्लस जे कैप इनटू जे कैप करते हैं.
Right.
बट आपने यहाँ पे आई कैप को जे के और आई तीनों के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करके करा है.
Okay, see here, Susti, your voice is breaking a little bit. लेकिन थोड़ा काम करता है, मैं सारे प्रोसेस फिर से रिपीट कर देता हूँ. You can type it because थोड़ी सी वॉइस ब्रेक हो रही है तुम्हारी. See here, what I am telling you, जब भी आप दो सेम यूनिट वेक्टर के बीच का डॉट प्रोडक्ट लेते हैं, your answer comes out to be 1. Clear? और जब डिफरेंट यूनिट वेक्टर्स के बीच का हम डॉट प्रोडक्ट लेंगे और आंसर comes out to be 0. Clear? So see here, I cap dot I cap turns out to be 1. I cap dot J cap, this is 0. I cap dot K cap, this is 0. So if you take the I cap with this product, your final answer is 8. First tell me how many of you have problem understanding this section? पहले बताओ ये सबको समझ में आया क्या? इसमें किसी को प्रॉब्लम है तो बताओ. Yes. Okay, she's saying to solve that. Yes, Aman, actually I'm coming on that particular point. क्योंकि मैं उसी पॉइंट पे आ रहा हूँ, बट पहले मैं थोड़ा सा इसको एक्सप्लेन कर दूं, बिकॉज एवरीबडी वाज नॉट प्रेजेंट इन आवर ऑनलाइन लेक्चर. दैट इज द प्रॉब्लम. सपोज करो सारे प्रेजेंट होते तो वेक्टर तो हम एक ही दिन में उड़ा देते, कोई दिक्कत ही नहीं थी. लेकिन कुछ पुराने हैं, कुछ नए हैं, है ना. सर कैन यू प्लीज रिपीट द लास्ट पार्ट? ओके सिद्धि, लास्ट पार्ट इज क्वाइट क्लियर. सी है, अभी ये फिनिश नहीं हुआ है. आई विल टेल यू अ सिंपल थिंग. मैं 2 आई कैप का 4 आई कैप के साथ, देन 5 जे कैप के साथ, देन -10 के कैप, वी आर सिंपली टेकिंग द डॉट प्रोडक्ट. अब डॉट प्रोडक्ट में मैंने क्या बताया, वट एवर नंबर्स वी हैव, नंबर्स को हम बाहर कर लेते हैं. नंबर्स को बाहर किया, देन आई कैप डॉट आई कैप. नंबर्स को आउटसाइड किया, आई कैप डॉट जे कैप. नंबर्स को बाहर किया, आई कैप डॉट के कैप. एंड प्रॉपर्टीज में मैंने बताया था, whenever you are taking the dot product of two same vectors, your answer comes out to be 1. But whenever you are taking the dot product between two different unit vectors, your answer comes out to be 0. Siddhi, are you following me right now? Harshal is asking me, sir, why you have not taken their k cap dot k cap? What is the problem? See here, Harshal, because I'm not doing, I'm just talking about 2 I cap. अभी मैंने 3 जे कैप और 4 के कैप के बारे में बात ही नहीं की है. हर्षल, सी आई एम नॉट टेलिंग यू लाइक इट्स कंप्लीटेड. ये कंप्लीट नहीं है भाई साहब. अब इसमें आगे और भी हमें करना है. आई एम जस्ट आस्किंग वेदर यू आर एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड अप टू हियर और नॉट. दैट्स ऑल. Okay, yes, Susti, right now I got you. Yes, Susti, whatever you are telling, that is absolutely right. ठीक है? You are absolutely right. Okay, you can speak in the microphone also, Susti. Right now I think it's audible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Susti, whatever, right now you can speak also. Right now you are audible. I think voice is clear.
Yes, sir. So which one is correct?
What, Susti? Yes, you are correct. You are correct. Yes, this was taught in the recorded lecture. Yes, guys, ये प्रॉब्लम आती है बिकॉज जो लोग रिकॉर्डेड लेक्चर देख चुके हैं, दे ऑलरेडी नो लाइक हाउ टू डू द फाइनल आउटकम. क्लियर? बट मैं ये प्रोसेस बता रहा हूँ. क्लियर गाइस, व्हाट आई एम डूइंग, आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू द प्रोसेस. ठीक है? बिकॉज वी हैव सम स्टूडेंट्स हु आर न्यू टू द क्लास, दैट्स व्हाई आई एम टेलिंग द होल प्रोसेस वंस अगेन. दैट्स ऑल. Okay, Utkarsh, that's right. Okay, Siddhi, I'm talking to you. Okay, yes. Okay, Siddhi, it's clear to you. That's good. That's good. How to get the answer? Just wait for a second. We are coming to the same point. Okay, I hope it's clear. चलो. अब देखो, let's come back to the final conclusion. भाई, final conclusion क्या आया इसका? अगर मैं I cap का dot product लेता हूँ, clear guys, if I'm taking the dot product of I, मुझे non-zero answer किसको को मिल रहा है? I am having non-zero answer only when हम I cap का dot product ले रहे हैं I cap के साथ. We are having a non-zero that is equal to A. बाकी सारे केस क्या मिल रहा है? अपने को 0 मिल रहा है. Non-zero तभी मिल रहा है जब हम I cap का dot product लेते हैं I cap के साथ. So what does it mean in a nutshell? If I will take the dot product I cap with I cap, only my answer is non-zero. In the same way, if I take the dot product of j cap and j cap, then answer will be non-zero. In the same way, if I take the dot product of cap and k cap, only in that case our answer will be zero. So हमें क्या करना है? Simply we can take I cap with I cap, j cap with j cap, and k cap with k cap. Okay. I hope. Okay, voice is breaking. Okay, sir, voice is breaking. What is going on? Okay, just a minute, guys. Just hang on for a second. Because it's a Bluetooth connection. अच्छा, ये बताओ अब क्लियर हुई क्या? अभी सही आ रही है नहीं आ रही?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, a little longer, guys, because yes. Okay, guys, I'm just waiting all for you. Just let me know whether I'm audible or not.
Sir,
Yes, Aman.
now again it goes same.
It's okay.
Voice is breaking.
So voice
Now
is
one
breaking
second.
also.
Okay. ठीक है सर, ये साउंड क्यों ब्रेक हो रहा है? आपने जैसे ही ये रिकॉर्डिंग वाला लगाया वैसे साउंड ब्रेक होना शुरू हो गया।
Sir, you are not audible.
Sir, you're not audible. So what you are saying, we cannot hear.
Sir, you are not audible.
Okay. Right now, guys, I think I'm audible. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And I hope voice is also clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay, guys, just let me know voice is clear or not, so that we can proceed further. Okay, now it's clear. Now it's clear. Okay, तो चलो हम लोग डिस्कशन किस चीज का कर रहे थे? here let's not waste time. डिस्कशन इस बात को हो रहा था कि whenever we are taking the dot product of I with I, और आंसर इज नॉन जीरो, और जब हम I का J के साथ या J का K के साथ डॉट प्रोडक्ट लेंगे इन ऑल द केसेस और आंसर कम्स आउट टू बी जीरो. क्लियर गाइस? तो मतलब क्या है? सी व्हाट इज द टैगलाइन, व्हाट इज द पॉइंट? Point is this: we should take the dot product of I cap with I cap, J cap with J cap, and K cap with K. Clear guys? So in the nutshell, see here how to do the dot product. ये सब पूरा प्रोसेस करने की जरूरत नहीं है, सिंपली बस एक फंडा याद रखो. Whenever you are taking the dot product, you should multiply the coefficient of I with I, the coefficient of J with J, and the coefficient of K with K. Clear guys? So see here, if I am taking the dot product, let me write it down once again. What is the vector? This is 2I cap minus 3J cap. बस अब इस फंडे को याद रखना, यही. This is just like a Rambar फंडा. ठीक है? Just remember this particular thing. Okay, I think it's usual. ठीक है? Dot product 4I cap plus 5J cap minus 10K cap. See here. And always remember, from this topic, we can't expect like questions will be there, especially in JEE or NEET. But it's necessary for understanding each and every topic. Okay. So यहाँ पे देखो मैंने क्या बताया, फंडे क्या है अपना? What I told you, what is the shortcut? We'll multiply the coefficient of I with I, coefficient of J with J, and the coefficient of K with K. So as you can see here, what is the coefficient of I over here? 2. What is the coefficient of I is 4. So 2 into 4, that is it. Now see here, what is the coefficient of J over here? The coefficient of J is minus 3. What is the coefficient of J over here? The coefficient of J is plus 5. So 5 multiplied by minus 3, what it turns out to be? That turns out to be minus 15. Plus, what is the coefficient of here? K 4. What is the coefficient of K here? That is minus 10. So it comes out to be minus 40. So this comes out to be 8 minus 65, and final answer is minus 57. Okay. Clear guys? Just
Sir,
see here.
Sir, it is 47.
55.
Okay, it is 50. Okay.
40 yes.
Okay guys, just hang on for a second. You guys are very sharp, है? बहुत तेज हो तुम लोग, है? चलो ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. Minus 47. Okay, that's right. Our final answer should be minus 47. Clear guys? I hope all of you clear. Just look at the board and let me know if still anyone has any doubt. And the process is very simple. Let me repeat once again. दो वेक्टर का डॉट प्रोडक्ट तुम्हें करना है, तो तुम्हें करना क्या है, आई को आई के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करो, जे को जे के साथ और के को के के साथ। नाउ टेल मी इफ देयर इज एनीवन हु हैज एनी डाउट। ओके चलिए, आई विल डू द रिपीटिशन। ये तो
Sir,
क्या है? यस।
so before this, the step you tried, it was for a cross product, na?
50 here, I am having a little bit doubt regarding audio. Can you repeat it once again?
सर इसके पहले जो आपने किया था आई कैप विथ आई कैप जे कैप एंड के कैप, वो क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट लिख था ना?
वो डॉट प्रोडक्ट लेके ही था।
सर बट एक्चुअल फॉर्मूला जो डॉट प्रोडक्ट लिए होता है, वो जो अभी आपने अभी जिस तरीके से सॉल्व किया वो था, और इसके
हाँ,
पहले जो किया था वो
यस राइट, जो एक्चुअल फॉर्मूला है ए डॉट बी दैट इज इक्वल टू ए बी कॉस थीटा, ठीक है। क्योंकि ए बी कॉस थीटा अपना ओरिजिनल फॉर्मूला है, ठीक है। लेकिन उस ओरिजिनल फॉर्मूले के बेसिस पर हमने कुछ प्रॉपर्टीज स्टडी की, और उन प्रॉपर्टीज का डायरेक्ट एप्लीकेशन हम इसमें कर रहे हैं।
यस सर।
Yes, 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 Chishti, you are absolutely right. The correct way is to like write it down AB cos theta, but we already studied about the properties, so that's why we are doing the direct application. Clear?
ओके सर।
Okay, Arun sir, what is exactly cross product? See here, Arun, we are not talking about cross products right now. First, let's do dot product. Once you are comfortable with dot product, then we'll do the cross product. Okay, Ranjit is telling me video and voice is breaking. Video is also breaking. Is that so?
No, sir.
Okay,
No,
it's clear.
sir.
Okay, that's right. Okay, Ranjit, just check your device. Because for rest of the students, everything is okay. Okay, Ashish is also telling me that everything is okay. Okay. Sir, answer was coming same with the formula. Which formula? Okay, Ishra, Aishwarya, everything is clear. Ashish is telling me by which. Okay, Ashish, by which formula?
Sir,
Yes, Aman.
sir, they are confused in both the way
They
you
are
solved.
confused in both the methods.
Yes, that in earlier one you solved it in lengthy way. Now you solve it by formula. That's why they are confused.
Okay, guys. See here. Okay, guys. See here. What is the point of confusion? इससे पहले जो मैं कर रहा था वो मैं क्वेश्चन सॉल्व नहीं कर रहा था। रिमेम्बर ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स फोकस एट द बोर्ड। भाई साहब कंफ्यूज मत होए आप लोग, ठीक है। क्या कह रहा हूं मैं, इससे पहले मैं तुम लोग को शो कर रहा था। क्या शो कर रहा था? आई वॉज ट्राइंग टू टेल यू लाइक इफ यू टेक द डॉट प्रोडक्ट बिटवीन आई एंड जे। क्या कह रहा था मैं, अगर तुम आई और जे के बीच का डॉट प्रोडक्ट लोगे तुम्हारा आंसर 0 आएगा। अगर तुम जे और के बीच का डॉट प्रोडक्ट लोगे आंसर 0 आएगा। अगर के और आई के बीच का डॉट प्रोडक्ट लोगे तो भी आंसर तुम्हारा 0 आएगा। क्लियर? वो मैं ये बताने की कोशिश कर रहा था। आई वॉज ट्राइंग टू मेक यू अंडरस्टैंड गाइस। और देखो इसके दो आउटकम हो सकते हैं। क्लियर? आउटकम नंबर 1, यू अंडरस्टूड वट एवर आई वॉज ट्राइंग टू टेल यू। आउटकम नंबर 2, तुम्हें समझ में नहीं आया मैं क्या बताने की कोशिश कर रहा था। सो व्हाट इज गुड, दोनों अच्छे हैं। क्योंकि बच्चों देखो एक चीज हमेशा ध्यान रखना, अपनी क्लास का सिंपल सा मोटो है, जो चीज समझ में आती है वो अच्छी बात है, जो नहीं समझ में आती है वो और भी अच्छी बात है, ठीक है। तो सी हियर, यू अंडरस्टैंड ना ऑल ऑफ यू व्हाट इज द मोटो ऑफ आवर क्लास, है ना। जो समझ में आ जाए वो अच्छी बात है, जो नहीं समझ में आए वो और भी अच्छी बात है, ठीक है। तो अगर इससे पिछले वाला टर्म जो मैं तुम्हें बताने की कोशिश कर रहा था, अगर वो तुम्हें समझ में आया है दैट्स गुड। नहीं समझ में आया तो उसको भूल जाओ, जस्ट लाइक गजनी, ठीक है। गजनी मूवी देखी है तुम लोगों ने? ओके गाइस, हैव यू एवर सीन गजनी?
यस सर।
ओके, दैट्स राइट, दैट्स राइट। तो गजनी में बच्चों गजनी में क्या होता था कि वो हर चीज भूल जाता था। दैट्स व्हाई ही वाज यूज्ड टू राइट डाउन ऑन हिज हैंड चेस्ट एंड एवरीवेयर, ठीक है। So just be like Disney, forget whatever happened 5 minutes ago, okay, and remember this math. क्या बताया मैंने? जब भी डॉट प्रोडक्ट लेना है, जस्ट रिमेंबर दिस सेक्शन। डॉट प्रोडक्ट जब भी लेना है, आई के कोफिशिएंट को आई से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, जे के कोफिशिएंट को जे से और के कोफिशिएंट को के से। दैट्स ऑल। ओके, नाउ टेल मी। हाँ भाई, हमारे सारे गजनी भाई बंधु कृपया बोर्ड पे ध्यान दें। Still, if they have any problem, just let me know. Okay, clear. Okay. Okay, guys. So because we are studying about dot product, so if anyone has any doubt, it's right time to let me know. बता दो यार, शर्मिला टैगोर मत बनो, बता दो अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो. Okay, guys, I can see the response. Aryan is clear, Disha clear, Bhargav clear. Okay, so I can okay, see here. What I'm doing, I'm assuming that everything is clear. Everything is clear with you guys. Just let me know because I'm going to rub this section. So it's final call. Still, if there is anyone who has any doubt, okay, I think it's right. Okay, guys, that's right. That's right. Okay, that's good. That's good. So I'm going to rub this and let's try to solve few questions for practice purpose based upon dot product. Here. अब देखो डॉट प्रोडक्ट के ऊपर बेस्ड क्वेश्चन अपने को सॉल्व कैसे करने हैं. एक काम करते हैं, शीट में आ जाते हैं और शीट से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन हम नोट्स की कॉपी में सॉल्व करेंगे. रिमेंबर गाइस, जो भी शीट के क्वेश्चन है ये आपको नोट्स वाली कॉपी में सॉल्व करने हैं. ठीक है. ओके, जस्ट लाइक हियर क्वेश्चन नंबर 01 वीकली असाइनमेंट शीट नंबर 3. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट क्वेश्चन नंबर 01. Weekly assignment sheet number 3, question number 01. See here guys. Weekly assignment sheet number 03, question number 1. WA stands for weekly assignment, S stands for sheet. 03, I hope you can understand. ठीक है. Question number. Question number 01. Okay, I hope all the students have the DPPs, but you don't need to resume. Okay, you are clear. Okay, Sakshi, that's right. That's right. Okay, that's good. You don't know like how many gaznis we have. अभी बैच शुरू होगा फिर देखना कितने सारे गजनी आते हैं हमारे पास. Because right now all of you are sitting at your home, so that is the thing. Whenever I take a lecture and next day I simply ask the formula, then I can see over more than 90% class is just behaving like gazni. Okay. अच्छा ठीक है. Okay, somebody is trying to say something. Okay, just let me see. Sir, we have now started solving the sheet C. Yes, because मैंने बताया नहीं था आपको solve करने को. Right now we are starting solving sheet number 3. Okay, ठीक है. Bhargav, yes. Okay. Okay, see here, Mushfiq got the answer also, that is -1/2. See here, guys. Let me say the question. If a vector A is perpendicular to another vector, then the value of alpha. See here guys, okay, that's good. Mushfiq got the answer also. I think Arjita is also trying to say something, but it's okay. See here guys, what is the question? Question number 01. The question is like this. We have a vector, let us assume we have a vector A, which is given as 2i cap plus cj cap plus 8 times k cap. See here. And then another vector B. Another vector B. What is the vector? See here, यहाँ पे इन्होंने सीक्वेंस थोड़ा सा चेंज कर दिया है. मैक्सिमम टाइम्स स्टूडेंट इसी में प्रॉब्लम होती है. They have changed the sequence. What they are saying, 4j cap minus 4i cap. So let's write down the sequence in a proper way. So B is equal to minus 4i cap plus 4j cap plus alpha k cap. And what they are saying these two vectors are perpendicular to each other. Okay. These two vectors are perpendicular to each other. See here guys. I told you, I reminded you in our scalars and vectors lecture, like whenever two vectors are perpendicular to each other, in all those cases, we must think about dot product or scalar product. अब एक बात बताओ, अगर ये दोनों वेक्टर एक दूसरे से 90 डिग्री पे हैं, तो what should be the outcome of their dot product? Let me know.
So 0.
Zero.
Very nice. Very nice. That's good, Disha. Okay, that's right. Okay, so see here, guys. If vector A as well as vector B are perpendicular to each other, clear? So what must be their dot product? Their dot product must be equal to 0. Clear? So first thing. Also, you can write it down like this: A dot B. What is its value? Mod A mod B into cos 90. because both the vectors are perpendicular to each other. Cos 90 is 0. So in the nutshell, what we can say that A dot B equals to 0. Clear guys? तो सिंपली अपने को करना क्या है, ए और बी का डॉट प्रोडक्ट लेना है और इसको किसके इक्वल करना है, जीरो के. बट रिमेंबर व्हाट इज द रूल इज लाइक दिस, वेन एवर यू आर टेकिंग द डॉट प्रोडक्ट, क्या बताया मैंने, आई के कोफिशिएंट को मल्टीप्लाई करना है आई के साथ, जे के कोफिशिएंट को जे के साथ और के कोफिशिएंट को अपने को मल्टीप्लाई करना है के साथ. क्लियर गाइस? सो लेट्स डू दिस एंड सी व्हाट इज द आउटकम. 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 8k cap. Take the dot product of minus 4i cap plus it will be 4j cap plus it will be alpha times k cap. Here. And what should be the outcome of dot product? 0. Okay, let me see whether it is covered. Okay, it's covered. So see here, what is the coefficient over here? 2. What is the coefficient of I over here? That is minus 4. So 2 into minus 4, that comes out to be minus 8. Coefficient of j is 3. Coefficient of j is 4. So 3 into 4. This comes out to be 12. Coefficient of k is 8. Coefficient of k is alpha. So this comes out to be 8 alpha equals to 0. So you can write down 4 plus 8 alpha equals to 0. And if you simplify, alpha comes out to be minus 1 by 2. Okay, so if we simplify, alpha comes out to be minus 1 by 2. Okay, Bhargav, that's nice. You got the right answer. Okay, Sushi is also talking about C part, Khushi C part, and Ranjit minus 1 by 2. Okay, guys, all of you are right. That's a nice thing to see. All of you guys are right. No problem at all. Okay. Here, solved question number 1. After this, try to solve question number 07. After this, try to solve question number 07. Voice is breaking. Okay, Ayan, it's breaking. What about the rest of the students? Do you know? What?
Yes, sir.
It's breaking.
Yes, sir. Sometimes.
Okay, I hope I can manage that. अगर थोड़ी सी वॉइस ब्रेक होती है तो उसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. We can manage a few things. कंटिन्यूअस आवाज ही नहीं आ रही है तो उसमें प्रॉब्लम है, फिर वो बता देना. Okay, guys, just copy up to here and just let me know if anyone has any doubt. Okay, Utkarsh is telling me something. Guys, I can see 60 students are there, but only 10 to 50 students are giving me proper responses. What about the rest of the students? Okay, once again it's breaking. Okay, just wait for a second. Just hang on for a second. No doubt, that's good. Okay, media volume full. Ring volume full. Okay, right now tell me whether it's okay or not.
Yes, sir, it's
Okay.
okay.
Sissy, it's okay, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. Okay, what about rest of the students? Right, Aryan. You just need to apply a little bit logic, that's all. No problem, we can manage. Okay, Bhargav. Shelly, I think audio is clear right now. Okay, so if audio is clear, guys, what you are supposed to solve? You are supposed to solve question number 07, and I think 60 has already answered, है ना?
Yes, sir. 3.
Three.
A option.
Okay, that's good. Very nice, 60. What about rest of the? Okay, Utkarsh also got it right. Shivam. Okay, see here.
Sir,
See here, guys, that's quite amazing. All of you are having the same answer, and most importantly, right answer. Yes. Aman. Nikta is having 33. I think that's a typing mistake. I hope Nikta, you are trying to say like final answer is 3, right? Ishika 3, Nikita 3. Okay, see here, that's nice. That's very nice. Intelligent question, तुम लोग का. Okay, just Arya, I will read out the question. Aman, you were trying to say something. Just let me know.
sir,
Yes. I am listening, Aman. Just tell me.
Sir, repeat question number. I was disconnected.
Okay, no problem. See here, Aman, we are talking about question number 07 of sheet number 3. And the question is like this. All the students right now who don't have the DBP sheet, I'm just pronouncing the question. The vector P is given as AI cap plus AJ cap plus PK cap, and another vector Q, see here, Q दिया गया है ये सब है. Another vector is given as AI cap minus 2J cap minus K cap. Clear guys? Okay. Are perpendicular to each other. Once again, same question. What he is saying, P is perpendicular to Q. Then calculate the positive value of A. See here, same question. हमेशा ध्यान रखना, they are asking about positive value. So if you are having negative value of A, that is not supposed to be the right answer. Okay, see here, sir, we have to write it in notes copy or repeat. Notes copy, write down everything in notes copy, no problem. See here, whatever is going on in the class, you can write it down in your notes copy. Okay, guys? Okay, so that's nice. Okay, that's good. Okay, I hope everybody is clear with this. Guys, here it's final call. Is there anyone who still has any problem in this section? कुछ नहीं करना, I को I के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करो, J को J के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करो और K को K के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करो. Okay, I'm just looking at your response. Okay, I think the question are asked. Yes, Mushfiq, there are so many questions which are based upon the same concept. Okay. Okay. There are so many questions which are based upon the same concept, like dot product and cross product. The many questions are based upon cross product, so you are not supposed to solve them. Okay, so see here. Now let's talk about sheet number 2. Okay, guys, this is clear or not? Is there anyone who still has any doubt in this section? Guys, final call for sheet number 3.
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir, it's clear.
Okay, it's clear. Anyone else? भाई बाकी सारे स्टूडेंट को क्लियर है ये, किसी को डाउट है तो बता दो. I can see 63 students are there right now.
Please solve it.
Yes, Aryan. Do you want to see the solution?
Yes,
Aryan,
sir.
I am talking to. Okay, that's nice. Siddhi clear. Okay, Siddhi, that's good. Utkarsha is clear. Aishwarya, Shelly, that's also clear to you. Okay, please repeat. Okay, Tanish. See here, how to solve this question. देखो, what was the first point? If two vectors are perpendicular to each other, their dot product must result into 0. Clear? As you can see, we have two vectors P as well as Q, and they are saying that P is perpendicular to Q. So what happens if P is perpendicular to Q? Their dot product must be equal to 0. So what I will do, I will take the dot product as P dot Q. Okay. And this must be equal to 0. Clear, guys? So let me write it down like this: A I cap plus A into J cap plus 3 into K cap dot. यहाँ हो जाएगा A into I cap minus 2 into J cap minus K cap, and this is 0. Now then what I told you, if you are taking your dot product, what you are supposed to do? देखो I cap को मल्टीप्लाई करना है I के साथ, J cap को मल्टीप्लाई करना है J के साथ और K cap को मल्टीप्लाई करना है K के साथ. That was the simple principle. What is the coefficient over here? I. Coefficient is A. What is the coefficient of I? That is A. So A into A turns out to be A square. Coefficient of J is A. Coefficient of J is minus 2. So you have minus 2A. Clear? Right? What is the coefficient of K over here? That is 3. Coefficient of K is minus 1. So if you multiply them, this comes out to be minus 3 equals to 0. And if you solve this, so you will have 3 comma minus 1. Clear? If you solve this quadratic equation, I hope all of you guys are able to understand like how to solve the quadratic equation. Right now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is there anyone who has any difficulty in solving quadratic equation?
No, sir. No.
See here guys, is there anyone who has any difficulty? Because what I can assume that you have already studied quadratic equations in your high school standard, right? 8, 9, 10th में किया होगा तुमने?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's nice, that's nice. Okay, but still, final call. Is there any student who has any difficulty in solving quadratic equation? I'm just waiting for your response. Okay, I hope it's clear to everyone. Okay, I hope it's clear to everyone. See here, as I told you, I don't have any problem in repeating the solution of quadratic equation. Is there any student who wants to see the solution, like how to solve the quadratic equation? Okay, see here guys, I'm asking, is there anyone? No one. Okay. Okay guys, so okay, okay. So A is 3, and what we are supposed to find out? We are supposed to find out the positive value. So A equals to 3, this will be our final answer. See here guys. A equals to 3, this will be our final answer. Okay, so see here guys, in today's class, what we have done dot product. अच्छा, अब देखो जब ये तुम sheet solve करोगे, you will see some questions which are based upon work. Clear guys? तो वर्क के लिए कौन सा फॉर्मूला लगाना है? W equals to F dot X. Like question number 03, question number 04, okay, question number 08. All these questions are based upon work. But before that, see here, in last class I have given you a home assignment. I hope you remember guys. What was the answer of question number 25 of sheet number 2?
So C.
Okay, C part. How many of you got C part as the right answer? Aman, I think you got it. Okay, Nikita is also telling me 2 is sine 20. That's good. That's very nice. RN, I got C part. Okay, RN, that's nice. Oscar, C part. Ishika is also having C part. So majority of the students are having C part as the right answer. अच्छा बताओ तुम लोग को आंसर की तो नहीं दी गई थी इसकी?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, guys, that's quite amazing. Like so many students are able to find out C part as the right answer. Utkarsh, no problem at all. Okay, Nikita not given. Okay, Bhargav is telling me C part. So, sir, for second question, can we apply the parallel property of dot? Okay, sure. What is for second question? Okay, let me see sheet number 3. I think you can apply. Just try to solve it. Sure, try to solve it by dot product and let me know whether answer matches or not. Okay, Shelly, no problem because I'm going to solve that particular question. I'm just looking your answer guys. Like I want to see how many of you are able to solve that question. That's all. It's not a big deal if you are not able to solve this. Don't bother about that. Okay. Rituraj, okay, you have a little bit problem. No problem, Rituraj. We'll solve that particular question in the class itself. Okay, so see here guys, what we are going to do. Right now, we are going to solve question number 25. Okay, let's see question number 25. Okay, Rituraj, no problem. Okay, see here, that's the thing that bothers me. See here, I can see number of users are 63, but only few students are answering me continuously. Okay, बाकी क्या करते हो यार तुम लोग मतलब ऑनलाइन आकर के लॉगिन करके मतलब मत. Okay, I'm just looking at the name of the student. Yaksha, Pooja, Ranjit, Rishabh, Rishika, Ritika. I'm just looking at like how many new names are there. Shivani, Siddhi, I know, Snehal, Mano, Soumya, Sisti, Sufiyan. Okay. भाई जनता इतनी खामोश काय को बैठती है यार, कुछ बोल लिया करो, सुबह सुबह भगवान का नाम लिया करो, थोड़ा पुण्य मिलेगा. Sir, just quite answer your completion degree helps exam. Okay, see here, Aman. That's the $1 million question here. If I provide you, see here, the problem is this: if I provide you the solution, तो बैच में टैलेंट की कमी नहीं होती, लोग इतने अजीबोगरीब तरीके से आंसर फाइंड आउट कर लेंगे, यू विल बी सिंपली शॉक्ड. Like if they know that like right answer is like what we are discussing of. Okay, इससे पहले का जो क्वेश्चन था, ठीक है, that we are talking about question number, like answer is 3. Suppose if you are solving a particular question and answer is 3, so people have so many ways of solving the right answer like this. Okay, if final answer is 3, some of them can write down 10 minus 7 equals to 3. This is answer, and they are satisfied whatever I have done, that is right. Yes, because I told you na, see, everybody has their own mechanism. See here guys, what happens na, every student has their own mechanism to find out the right answer. I told you, I have also seen like this. Calculate the right answer 3. They have simply written 10 minus 7 equals to 3. This is right. I got the answer. So that's why we don't point the answer here. Clear guys? Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I am asking answer key just means if DPP is completed, then you provide answer.
Sure. Once DPPs are completed na, Aman, after that we can provide you the answer keys. No problem at all.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Bhargav is telling me alternate ways 11 minus 8 equals to 3. That's right. Okay. See, this is the thing which I was talking about. See, you guys have your own mechanism. In the end, somehow, by any means, you will be able to find out the solution, whether you know the theory or not. So that's why discussion से पहले हम लोग आंसर की प्रोवाइड नहीं करते. Okay, see here, guys. Okay, see here, let's talk about question number 25. That's good. Yes, sir, that's good idea to provide solution after solving. Yes, Aryan, sure. See here, guys, what is going on in question number 25? A particle is moving on a circular path of radius r with uniform velocity v. The change in the velocity when the particle moves from point P to point Q. See here, guys, we are solving question number 25. And they are saying like this: if we have a particle, first it was present at point P. Suppose this is point P and this one is point Q. And what they are saying, they are just saying the change in velocity. Radius is r, and that particular angle is 40 degrees. Okay. This radius is small r. See here, whole 40 degrees. So this angle will be 20 degree, and this angle will also be 20 degree. First, try to understand. Whole angle is 40 degree. So what will be the half of the angle? Half of the angle, this angle will be 20 degree and this angle will be 20 degree. Now see here guys, what is the meaning of change in velocity? तो इस चीज को तुम लोग समझना. Change in velocity simply means हमें velocity को vector form में लिखना है. क्योंकि if you can see at this point P, velocity is v. At this point Q, also velocity is v. So if they are asking change, what should be your answer? Then we have to find initial velocity and final velocity, but in which format? We have to find it in vector format. Clear, guys? Acha, if I ask what is the change in speed, in that case, what should be your answer? What is the change in the speed? Okay, tell me, guys. What is the change in the speed?
Sir, 0.
Yes, that's right. Okay, absolutely. देखो एक ध्यान देना. Yes, Aman. Aryan.
Nothing will be there.
Aryan, what is the problem?
I said that
Okay, see here. Okay, 0, right. Utkarsha 0 Siddhi. Yes, guys, you are absolutely right, because speed is a scalar quantity. So here velocity is v, speed is v. Here also speed is v. What is the change in the speed? Change in the speed comes out to be 0. But once we are talking about change in velocity, what is the formula of change in velocity? You will simply write down v minus v initial. Clear, guys? Okay. अब यहाँ पे देखो, at this point P, the velocity is initial, and I want to write it down in vector format. तो बच्चों वेक्टर फॉर्मेट में करने के लिए अपने को क्या करना पड़ेगा? We have to do the component. As you remember in last class, I told you how to do the component. तो यहाँ पे ये velocity v है. अगर मैं इसके component करता हूँ, तो first ये जो v है वेक्टर, ये किस क्वाड्रेंट में प्रेजेंट है? जस्ट टेल मी, कैन यू सी फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट?
So fourth.
Right. If you make a quadrant over here, you can see it's present in fourth quadrant. So its components will be like this. Okay. And see here, this angle is 20 degrees. So see this triangle O, this point is P. Okay. And right now, this angle is 20 degrees. So this angle will be 70 degrees. But as you can see, this overall angle, this whole angle is 90. This angle is 70. So what is this angle? This angle is 20 degrees. First tell me whether you are able to understand this or not. मैं किसकी बात कर रहा हूं? I am talking about this triangle OPQ. This angle is 20 degrees. So this is 70 degrees. But this overall angle is 90. So this angle must be 20 degrees. I hope that's clear to all of you. Okay, especially Rituraj and okay, Rituraj, are you able to follow me? Are you able to understand? I think few students got some doubt, like Rituraj. Okay, Rituraj, I hope okay, that's good. Now see here, once you get the angle, यहाँ पे देखो ये जो 20 degree है, ये किसके close है? This 20 degree is close to this axis. So this component goes into V cos 1. Clear? This one goes to V sin. So how to write down initial velocity? Okay, see here. How to write down initial velocity? Okay, Ansh, I will say something. Ansh, but I am talking to you. Okay,
Sir, please repeat again.
Ansh, I think you have a problem with your mic. Okay, so see here, how to write down V initial? यहाँ पे देखो, initial velocity के दो component हैं. First one is V sin 20 direction I cap. This one is minus V cos 20 direction J. Here we have written V initial. In the same way, when the particle reaches at this point Q, this is the final velocity. So once again, if you do the components, see here, make a quadrant system. This is present in third quadrant. This angle is 20 degrees. So this angle will be 70. But this overall is 90. So this angle is once again 20. But this overall angle is once again 90. So this is 70 and this angle is once again 20 degrees. So what will be the component? 20 degrees. See at 20 degrees touching the y axis. So this one would be V cos 20 and this one would be V sin 20. Guys, just look at the board and see if you have any doubt or any problem regarding components. Components में कोई problem होगी तो just let me know immediately. I hope that's okay with the components. Is there any student who has any doubt in components?
No, sir.
Okay, that's
It's
nice.
fine.
That's nice to see. Harshal, it's okay. Okay, Harshal, see here. देखो यहाँ पे क्या है, मैं लिख ही देता हूँ. देखो ये ट्रायंगल है, इस ट्रायंगल में ये एंगल 20 डिग्री है. इन दिस ट्रायंगल, ये जो पर्टिकुलर ट्रायंगल है ओ क्यू, अच्छा इसको क्यू नहीं मानते, इसको एम मान लेते. See here in this triangle O M Q, this angle is 20 degree. So what is this angle? This angle is 70. But यहाँ पे देखो ये जो total angle है, this total angle is 90. So once again this angle will be 20. But as you can see, यहाँ पे देखो, अब इसको देखो, this particular angle, ये पूरा angle it's once again 90, तो ये 20 है, तो this angle is once again 70. But this overall angle, ये जो पूरा angle है, this is 90. So if this is 20, this angle would be 70. Okay, Harshal, I'm just looking for you. Just verify whether you are able to understand this or not. Okay, Ashish. While calculating initial velocity, why we have done subtraction icon? Okay, Ashish, are we talking about this? Because here in initial velocity, this is present in which quadrant? Fourth one. This is along plus x, this is along minus y. So that's why I have written minus j cap. Okay, Ashish, I am talking to you. Just let me know how you took the angle 70 degrees. अरे ये तो सिंपल है ना यार. यहाँ पे देखो, we have a triangle. अब भाई साहब ये एक राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल है. दिस एंगल इज 90 डिग्री. क्लियर है अक्षर? तो अगर एक एंगल 90 डिग्री है तो बाकी दोनों का सम भी तो 90 होना चाहिए ना. Okay, Arshal, here, are you able to follow me right now? And Ashish, whether you are clear or not, just let me know. I'm just waiting for you.
Clear, sir.
Okay, that's nice. That's nice to hear. Okay, Arshal, that's nice to see. It's clear to you. Just let me know. Just keep me updated regarding your doubts. Okay, Rutraj is clear also. That's right. So see here, what guys, what we are doing, we final देखो क्या लिखेंगे हम लोग. First, let's talk about the x component. As you can see, this v sin 20 is directed towards minus x direction. Clear, guys? So what I will write down, minus v sin 20 direction I cap, and this is minus v cos 20 j cap. So what is the change in velocity? Delta v, this will be equal to v final minus v initial. And if you subtract these two velocities, delta v will be equal to minus 2v sin 20 into I cap, or you can write down 2v sin 20 direction minus I cap. Now remember the important point. In answers, they are not asking about direction. They are only asking about magnitude. So what should be your final answer? Our final answer should be 2v sin 20. लेकिन अगर वो कहते कि फाइंड आउट द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द चेंज इन वेलोसिटी, देन व्हाट, तो उसमें क्या ऐड करना पड़ता? द डायरेक्शन ऑफ चेंज इन वेलोसिटी इज टुवर्ड्स माइनस एक्स डायरेक्शन. आई होप दैट्स क्लियर गाइस.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's nice, that's nice. So here guys, today what we will do, we will mark some more questions based upon dot product. Okay, from sheet number 3. Okay guys, just mark the question. We are talking about, okay, can we start right now? Yes, Vitraj, just copy it. Rest of the students just copy it. Okay, let's do, okay, ठीक है, कॉपी कर लो पहले, उसके बाद फिर हम क्वेश्चन मार्क करना शुरू करते हैं. Just let me know when you are done with this. Okay, done. Okay, that's good, that's good. So just mark few questions and we'll do the discussion of those questions in next class. Question number 03 from sheet number 3. From sheet number 3, question number 0, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Or simply 1 to 8. In sheet number 3, we are supposed to solve questions from 1 to 8. Remember guys, sheet number 3, we are supposed to solve questions from 1 to 8. Okay, so I have taken a lot of time. I think it's more than 67 minutes. So right now we are going to end this session. Is there any student who wants to ask any question? Guys, it's final call. Is there anyone who wants to ask any question?
No, sir.
ICSE 10th. Okay, so Arun, I think today you will have your result of high school standard, right? Do you belong to ICSE? Okay, all clear. That's nice.
I don't belong from ICS.
Okay, but today is high school result of ICSE. Okay, that's it. Okay, guys, so that was all from today's side. From today's